please. The topic healthy, yeah. What is the healthy? Definition in healthy, description in healthy, and the type, and it is purpose healthy, and then the element healthy. Okay, would you please Cahya, Hilwa, Siti Mutia, Nasra, and then Muhammad Taufik. Okay, would you please?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wa bihi nasta'in 'alal umuri waddin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi washabihi ajma'in amma ba'du. Good morning, ma'am, and good morning, everyone.
Yes, good morning
we
to
will present about health. Before the presentation, introduce our group, namely myself, Hilwan Az-Zuhaili Alfat, Cahya Nur Ihsani, Siti Mutiah Aulia, Nasra Bandi, and Muhammad Taufik Fahroji. Slide 1. Health. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Health consists of maintaining the body and taking preventive measures to reduce the possibility of developing various diseases. Health is the body's natural functional and metabolic efficiency to adapt to physical and mental change the body is exposed. Jadi kesehatan adalah keadaan sejahtera fisik, mental, dan juga sosial yang utuh, dan bukan hanya bebas dari penyakit atau kelemahan. Kesehatan terdiri dari menjaga tubuh dan melakukan tindakan pencegahan untuk mengurangi kemungkinan berkembangnya berbagai penyakit. Kesehatan adalah efisiensi fungsional dan juga metabolisme alami tubuh untuk beradaptasi dengan perubahan fisik dan mental yang dialami tubuh. Next slide. Tolong diperbesar lagi layar ininya, share screen-nya, PowerPoint-nya. Ya, makasih. A. Health life, hidup sehat. Speaking. A. Walk in pairs, read and listen to the dialogues. Alice. Oh dear, my weight has gone up again. I wish I could lose weight. Peter. You shouldn't eat so much. What do you do every day? Alice. I sit at the desk all day at the office, and I spend a lot of time sitting in front of the television or the computer at home. Peter. Well, if you want to lose weight, so go on diet and change your habit. Alice. What should I eat? Peter. Have some vegetables or some fruits in every meal. Drink a lot of water. Alice. What shouldn't I eat? Peter. Don't eat fried food. Don't eat fried food very often. It's a good idea to eat snacks, but don't eat a lot of sugar. Alice. What else? Peter. Do some exercise every day. Exercise burns off the calories and makes you fit. So, come on. Get up and ride your bike. Swim, run, go for walks. Next. Language in action. Giving advice. Wise to say it. 1. A. I often get sleepy in class. B. You should have enough sleep, so you shouldn't go to bed late. 2. A. What should I do to get fit? B. You should eat healthy food. Do some exercise and you shouldn't smoke. 3. A. I sometimes have problems in my stomach. B. You shouldn't eat too much and you shouldn't eat spicy or sour foods. You should wash your hand before you eat. Next slide, Siti Mutiah Aulia.
Okay, I will continue. B. Pair up and practice. Work in pair and talk about healthy life. Student E complains about his or her health. Student B gives some advice. A. I'm getting fat. What should I do? B. You should do some exercise and you shouldn't eat too much. A. I'm not so fit lately. I think I work too much. B. You shouldn't too tired and you should get some rest. A. I also have headache. B. You should check with the doctor and you shouldn't work too much. A. Okay, thank you for your advice. Next slide. B. Food and healthy diet. Reading. Food is material that comes from animal or plants, eaten by living things to provide energy and nutrition. Food contains the nutrition that people need to be healthy. People need to eat protein, fat, carbohydrates, vitamin, and minerals to be healthy. Liquids used for energy and nutrition are often called drinks. Food for humans is mostly made through farming or gardening and includes animal and vegetable source. Some people refuse to eat food from animal origin, like meat, eggs, and products with milk in them. Not eating meat is called vegetarianism. Not eating or using any animal products is called veganism. A healthy diet or balanced diet is a diet what you eat that contains the right amount of all the food substance. It includes fruit, vegetable, grains, dairy products, and protein. It doesn't include too much or too little of any kind of food. Next slide. Basic food consumed by human. Plant source. They are fruit, vegetables, grains, seeds, legumes, or beans, peas, etc. And then herbs and spices. And animal source. They are meat, eggs, and dairy products contains milk, cheese, butter, etc. Next slide. Exercise. Answer the question based on the above text. 1. What are the source of food? The answer. The source of food is material that comes from animals or plants. 2. Why do we eat food? The answer. We have to eat food because food contains the nutrition that people need to be healthy. 3. What do people need to eat to keep healthy? The answer. People need to eat protein, fat, carbohydrates, vitamin, and mineral to be healthy. 4. What is vegetarianism and what is veganism? The answer, vegetarianism is not eating meat, and veganism is not eating or using any animal products. 5. What is a healthy diet? The answer, a healthy diet or balance that contains the right amount of all the food substance, includes fruit, vegetable, grain, dairy product, and protein too much. Next slide will be read by Cahya Nur Ihsani.
Okay, I continue. Slide writing. A. Write not it answer to this question. B. Work with a partner and answer the question and not down your partner's answer. A. How many meals do you eat every day? The answer. I eat one medium plate of rice 3 times a day. B. What food do you often eat? What don't you eat? The answer. I usually eat rice with side dishes or noodles with egg and I don't eat jengkol. C. How much water do you drink a day? And answer, I drink 6 glasses of 20 2015 mils of water. D. What do you do to keep fit? And answer, drink lots of water, exercise, and control your food. Next. C. Write a paragraph about your partner with the not too good you. Opik eats 3 meals a day. He eats a lot of salad and vegetables, but not much meat. He hates carrots. He does not eat a lot of snacks, but he sometimes has some chocolates. He drinks two liters of water a day. He does not smoke. Keeping fit is very important for Opik. He plays basketball once a week. He also swims and goes for walks at the weekend. Next, listening. Listen to dialogues. Mr. Simons, I've, I have had eye pain in my chest for the last few weeks. Doctor, it is been so bad lately that I've been off work since Monday. Doctor, I see. Let me check your test first. Tell me, are you a heavy smoker? Mr. Simons, I smoke about 2 packs of cigarettes a day. Doctor, and how long have you been a smoker? Mr. Simon, since I was about 18, I suppose. Doctor, I I have to take an X-ray of your chest. Mr. Simon, I hope it is not anything serious, but you are aware of the dangers of smoking, I'm sure. Mr. Simon, well, yes, but I've been smoking for 20 years and I've never had any trouble. Next, selanjutnya akan dibaca oleh Bandi. Silahkan.
Yes. B. Read the dialogues again quickly and the practice question and their answer. 1. When did Mr. Simon first get a pen in the case? Mr. Simon has had a pen in my case for the last few weeks. 2. How long has he been away from work? He has been off work since Monday. 3. When did Mr. Simon start smoking? Mr. Simon has been smoking for 20 years and he has never had any trouble. B. 4. How long has he been smoking? He has about 18 I suppose. 5. About when X is Mr. Simon? For 20 years. Next. Vocabulary. A, food and drinks. Label pictures. Use the word prove it. 10 listening checks in repeat. Muti.
Yes. Okay, we'll continue. From this, you can see there's a lot of vocabulary. First, there's avocado, 2 eggs, 3 carrots, 4 meat, 5 onion, 6 cheese, 7 kiwi, 8 bread, 9 paprika, 10 vegetable, 11 noodle, and last rice. Okay, grammar. Next slide. First, salt and sodden. Hey, look at the example and read the rule. When you eat, you salt wash your hands. You shouldn't go to bed late if you want to get up early. There's a rule from salt and sodden. The rule is we use salt or sodden to say it's a good idea or it isn't a good idea. You can look at the table. From for a positive, we use I, you, sorry, masih ini ya. Ya. For positive, we use I, you, we, they, he, she, it, then ditambahkan dengan should go. For negative, I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Kemudian ditambahkan shouldn't go. For the question, pertama kita menambahkan kata-kata should di depan. Kemudian setelah kata should kita tambahkan kata I, you, we, they, he, she, it, kemudian verb go. Untuk short answer untuk jawabannya, pertama kita akan menambahkan yes atau mungkin no. Kemudian ditambahkan dengan I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Untuk jawaban yes, kemudian pakai should. Dan untuk jawaban no, pertama kita akan menambahkan kata no di depan, kemudian ditambahkan dengan I, you, we, they, he, she, it, kemudian tambahkan shouldn't. Next slide. Will be read by Taufik. Apakah saudara Taufik ada? Okay, I will continue. B. Complete the dialogues. The dialogues use should or shouldn't and the verb provided. Kata kuncinya adalah go, take, which, watch, see, and do. Number 1, Steve, I have influenza. Bruce, you should take medicine and see the doctor. 2, Arman, I often get up late. Mona, you should go to bed early. 3, Alex, my eyes really hurt. Should I see the doctor? Alice, no, but you shouldn't watch television so much. 4, Oscar, I think I get weight. Girl, I think you should take a diet and do some exercise. Next slide. Present perfect continuous. Have been or has been, verbing for. A. Look at the example and read the rule. I have teaching for 20 years. He has been smoking since he was 20 years old. Rule 1. We use the present perfect continuous for an activity that has recently stopped or just stopped. You're out of the example. You're out of breath. Have you been running? Paul is tired. He has been working very hard. Second, you can use the present perfect continuous for activity still happening, especially with how long, for and since, or has just stopped. The example, 1. It has been raining for 2 hours. 2. How long have you been learning English? 3. George hasn't been feeling well recently. 4. How long has he been a pilot? He's been a pilot since 2003. Next slide. Exercise. put the verb into present perfect continuous. 1. Maria has been learning English for 2 years. 2. Hello Tom, I have been looking for you all morning. Where have you been? 3. We always go to Bali for our holidays. We have been going there for years. 4. Sarah is teaching English in this school. She has been being a teacher for 11 years. 5. I have been thinking about what you said and I've decided to take your advice. Okay. Mr. Hilwan.
So, from our presentation, does anyone have any question? Apakah ada pertanyaan sampai sini?
Yeah. Okay. Maybe question everyone. Yeah. Okay. The topic healthy. Memberi masukan ya, input and suggestion. Slide 1. Health is state of complete physical, mental, and social. Nah, ini definition health, ya kesehatan. Coba Anda lebih luas lagi dalam penjabaran ini. Ya, definition and health consistent to maintaining. Ya, oke. Ini bagus. Namun ini ada penambahan secara khusus dan secara umum. Kesehatan itu ada yang didefinisikan secara khusus dan secara umumnya. Itu tambahkan. Ya, secara khususnya apa gitu ya. Oke, next. Healthy life. Kehidupan untuk sehat. Nah, ini the topiknya adalah health life. Ya, healthy life. Nah, percakapan di sini speaking adalah dialog ya antara between Alice dengan siapa nih? Peter. Nah, this is oh dear, my weight has gone up again. I wish. Nah, coba perhatikan di sini kalimat yang speaking ini lebih dominan ke healthy life atau healthy saja, kesehatan secara umum. Kan ada hidup sehat gitu ya. Hidup sehat itu apakah harus lifestyle atau healthy life gitu. Ada lifestyle, ada healthy life. Itu kalian harus bisa membedakan mana yang masuk dari lifestyle dengan mana yang healthy life. Itu masukan mem ya. Dan berikut contohnya. Di sini contohnya adalah belum ada. Dan tipe-tipenya juga tidak ada. Masukkan di slide yang kedua dan ketiga. Itu masukan saya ya. And then language in action giving advice. Bahasa yang bahasa apa nih ya? Untuk mendapatkan advice-nya, maksudnya ini masih dalam percakapan atau after that, setelahnya itu healthy. Ini saya bingung nih. Coba jelaskan. After that speaking. Jelaskan.
Itu masih dari konten yang sebelumnya, Mem. Cuman dalam bentuk dialog advice.
Oh, dalam bentuk dialog advice. Oke. Tapi masih topiknya healthy life.
Iya, Mem.
Oke, good. Jadi harus ada menyambung di sini. Language action giving advice healthy life gitu yang jelas kalimatnya ya. Oke, next. Oke, ini bagus kalau memang ada kesinambungannya. Nah, cuma ditambah dengan healthy life. Next. Apply and practice. Ini langsung exercise-nya ini. Practice student
ya
gimana?
perhitungannya ada exercise-nya, Ma'am.
Exercise-nya
Jadi,
ditulis dong.
Iya, exercise-nya
Exercise ya harus ditulis. Ini B. Yang E-nya mana?
E-nya yang tadi yang buat advice, Ma'am. Soalnya kan yang pertama kan kita healthy life. Jadi kita buat yang pertama adalah yang exercise yang membuat advice dalam dialog. Kedua yang ini, Ma'am.
Yang praktis.
Ya, Ma'am.
Nah, kalau memang ada huruf B-nya, huruf A-nya mana?
Tadi coba slide sebelumnya, maaf.
Enggak ada. Mana A-nya? Anda lupa kan?
Iya, maksud saya di E-nya language in advice. Sorry, Ma'am.
Nah, itu harus kalau ada huruf B ya pasti ada huruf A dulu dong. Oke, itu revisi ya.
Yes, Ma'am.
Saya itu jeli sekali. Next, food and healthy diet. Nah, ini reading. Berarti bagus ini. Readingnya membahas topik food and healthy diet. Biasanya asal reading saja, ya. Tapi judulnya enggak jelas. Tapi di sini reading food is material that comes from animal or plants eaten by living things to provide energy. Okay, nutrition. Okay, good. Yeah. And then basic food customer by human. Ini masih dalam ranah reading atau vocabulary.
Reading, Ma'am. Soalnya kan di reading tadi kan ada tentang menjelaskan tentang makanan kan. Jadi kita dibagi jadi dua, makanan yang makanan yang dari tumbuhan dan makanan yang dari hewan gitu, Ma'am. Biar lebih jelasnya doang.
Nah, itu harus tanda difference. Perbedaan dijelaskan.
Baik, Ma'am.
Different basics ya food customized by human. Difference between plant short and animal short. Gitu. Ya, perbedaan antara makanan dari tumbuhan dengan makanan dari hewan. Ya. Jadi ada perbedaannya harus. What's the meaning plant short? What's the meaning animal short? Harus ada definition-nya. Anda membuat kotak seperti ini, tabel seperti ini, harus menjelaskan definition-nya. Kan basic food customized by human. Makanan basic yang dikonsumsi oleh manusia. Ya. Apakah itu makanan terbuat dari tumbuh-tumbuhan atau makanan bersumber dari binatang, ya kan? Nah, sebelum Anda membuat, before you make table, you make definition, plant short. What is the meaning plant short? What is the meaning animal short? Biar paham penjelasan you explain. Ini tidak ada penjelasannya. Langsung ujuk-ujuk table. Ya. Dia harus ada definition-nya. Seperti health di slide yang pertama. Nah, ini kan di slide pertama itu selain definition ada types-nya, ada components-nya. Mana components-nya? Komponen dari kesehatan itu apa? Types-nya dari kesehatan itu apa? Anda browsing sendiri. Bukan hanya terpaku sama modul saya yang saya berikan gitu loh.
Baik,
Ya,
ma'am. Iya,
di
ma'am.
slide yang pertama harus direvisi tuh. Ya bagus sih ini health. Health is states of complete physical, ya mental and social well-being. Nah, this secara umum general and secara khususnya. Nah, baru Anda melihat dari types-nya and it is purpose. Jangan lupa tujuan sehat itu untuk apa? Gitu. Nah, di sini misalkan healthy the body natural function. Nah, berarti functional ya metabolis. Nah, jadi ini masuk dalam apa? It is purpose. Anda tulis. It is purpose health is body natural functional and metabolic efficiency to adapt to physical and mental change to body exposure to.